5 Best Pruning Tools. Here is the product number 5. Binding Flour Vegetable Machine. Brand name, Alouette. Pruning tool type, pruners. Model number, Guard Tools. Material, metal. Finishing, not coated. Pruner type, anvil. Feature, anti-slip grip. Here is the product number 4. Professional Fruit Tree Grafting Tool. Brand name, Alouette. Feature, anti-slip grip. Material, metal. Pruning tool type, pruning knives. Pruner type, bypass. Materials, carbon steel, ABS and aluminum. Finishing, not coated. Unit type, piece. Here is the product number 3. Plant Tying Tapetool Tapener Machine. Brand name, Tools. Feature, long length, FFC, folding, telescopic, anti-slip grip. Material, metal. Pruning tool type, Tapetools. Model number, 110. Pruner type, bypass. Here is the product number 2. Secateurs Scissors Grafting Tool. Brand name, Tools. Pruner type, bypass. Material, metal. Pruning tool type, pruners. Feature, folding, anti-slip grip. Finishing, not coated. Model number, JT001. Here is the product number 1. Grafting Machine Garden Tools. Brand name, Tools. Feature, anti-slip grip, folding. Finishing, not coated. Pruning tool type, pruners. Material, metal. Pruner type, bypass. Unit type, piece. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.